Ford Revolutionary Forex Institute. This is Kosinati, the founder and the trader of Ford Revolutionary Forex Institute. So traders, in this video, I'm going to give you like an update of the Euraud on because you remember that on Monday I shared the setup of the Euraud from monthly time frame to a day time frame. So today I'm going to give you like an update of what has happened during the week on this currency pair. But before we move any further, it's very important to read the risk disclaimer for trading. So trading foreign exchange and stock markets on margin carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results. A high level of leverage can work against US dollars for you. And then lastly, any information or advice contained within this platform is shared for educational purposes only, and it should not be considered as financial or investment advice. So traders, without wasting any time, let's go straight to the charts. So this is the chart that I shared on Monday, traders. I indicated on Monday that it seems like we have this wave A here. There was a possible formation of wave A, and for me this wave A it seemed like it was completed. It is going to be completed as the expanding diagonal impulsive wave pattern, and it seems like we already have like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and then we are approaching wave 4. Okay, so for me, I also indicated that this wave 4, it seemed like it was going to be completed as the flag pattern. Okay, because of these two parallel lines, 1, 2, these two parallel lines, they indicate like the flag pattern. And then I also indicated that in terms of LOT wave theory, it seemed like we have wave W, wave X, and then we are approaching wave Y. So for me, wave 4, in terms of LOT wave theory, it seemed like it is going to be completed as the double zigzag pattern, because we have like wave W, wave X, and then wave Y. And then I also indicated traders that there was this possible formation of the head and shoulders pattern. Okay, and then I indicated that because we have this possible head and shoulders pattern, and then we are still approaching wave Y, so I was looking for a sell position here, traders, because of this head and shoulders pattern. Because for me, it seemed like I would say this is a significant head and shoulders pattern. So now we went to a daily time frame. Okay, on a daily time frame, we mainly focus on this possible head and shoulders pattern. We have the left shoulder, the head, and then the right shoulder. Then I also indicated traders that we have this support level, which acted as the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern. And then we also have this impulsive move, which broke the neckline. So this was the breakout of the head and shoulders pattern. Then I indicated traders that I was waiting for the price to form the pullback around this area here. Okay, in order to complete like wave B. Okay, because we are still approaching this wave Y here. So we have wave A, then we're approaching wave B, then wave C. So now traders, let's move to the current charts. What is actually happening at the moment? So now we still have the possible expanding diagonal impulsive wave pattern, and then our wave 4, it seems like the price is still approaching our wave 4 to be completed as the double zigzag pattern, and also our head and shoulders pattern. It's very interesting right now because it seems like we have like the breakouts here on a weekly time frame. Because on Monday, traders, you can see here, even though yes, we did like have the small breakout, but it wasn't like a clear breakout. But now traders, we do have the clear breakouts on a weekly time frame of this head and shoulders pattern. So let's go to a daily time frame so that you can see what is actually happening on a daily time frame. So here, so a daily time frame, we had these breakouts, and then the price went back again. So for me, this was the formation of wave B, but this was not the end of wave B, traders. For me, this is not the end of wave B. Okay, this is not the end of wave B. So I'm going to open for our time frame right now so that I can show you why I'm saying this is not the end of wave B. Okay, so for me, it seems like this wave B, it will be completed as the expanding flag pattern, but I'm going to show you on for our time frame. So traders, this is the formation. This is the for our time frame. Okay, so sorry traders, this is not MN. This is supposed to be H4, stand for our time frame. So without wasting any time, traders, after the end of wave X, so we are speaking of this wave X here. So we are focusing on this formation here, traders. So after the formation of this wave X, we have this impulsive movement to the downside. okay, to the bearish direction. So here traders, for me it seems like we have a wave A completed as the expanding diagonal impulsive wave pattern. As you can see here, we have these two lines here going in the opposite area. Sorry. So and then here we have our wave A. So our wave A for me it was completed as the expanding diagonal impulsive wave pattern. So now let's move to the possible formation of this wave B. So for me, we have wave A, wave B. Now we are approaching wave C under the formation of wave B. Okay. So for me, traders, this is not the end of wave A. Sorry, of wave B. Sorry. So this is wave A completed as A, B, C. Then we are approaching wave B completed as X, W. Sorry, traders, as W, X, Y. Because for me, this wave B, it will be completed as the double zigzag pattern. Okay, but its formation is much more clear on 1 hour time frame. Okay, so for now, what I'm waiting for, traders, I'm waiting for the price to again to rally, but to rally to this area here, around this area of 1.65605. So around this area, traders, that is where I'm expecting the price to complete like wave B here. So we have wave A, then wave B. So as you can see, I have drawn this pattern here. So this is the expanding flat pattern. Okay, this is a possible expanding flat pattern. So I'm expecting the price to come to this area here. So please note, traders, when you use a Fibonacci level, you will see that this area here, it's actually 61.8% of the formation of wave A. So as you know, traders, that 61.8%, it's actually the golden ratio of the correction wave of wave 2, of wave B, and then wave X. And then again, traders, still focusing on this area, if you open on 1 hour time frame, you will see, traders, that there is a supply zone here, traders. And you will see on 1 hour time frame, this is a good supply zone here, traders, because there is so but this supply zone, traders, it's much more clear on 1 hour time frame. So those are the two main reasons why I'm still expecting the price to come to this area, because there is still this supply zone here which has not been tested. So I understand that we do have this resistance level, because as you can see, we have this resistance. But for me now, the price would climb and then we break this resistance level and form a false breakout, because after the breakout, most people will go long or they will execute a buy positions. But that will be the trap for them in terms of my analysis, traders. Okay, so for me, there will be a freight breakout here, and then the price will come to this supply zone, and then this area, you must also know that this area is also 61.8% of the distance of wave A. Okay, so if the price doesn't like stop here, it's also highly possible to come to this area here, traders. You can see we also have this rectangular drawing here. So here, traders, this rectangular drawing is also between 78.6% and 88.6%. But for now, traders, my main focus is here at this area here at 61.8%. Again, traders, you must also know that it is also highly possible that the price might not move beyond this resistance level. So if the price completes wave C below this level here, I will not execute a trade so easily. Yes, I might execute a trade, but not so easily, because my main focus it's around this area of 61.8% and then of this good supply zone. Because yes, there was a supply zone here, but you can see here this supply zone has already been tested, but we also have this supply zone which has not been tested. Okay, so that is why I'm looking for this supply zone, because when you open on 1 hour time frame, you will see that this supply zone is very much more clear and very beautiful and very attractive on 1 hour time frame. So that is why I'm expecting the price to complete wave B as the expanding flat pattern, because of this 61.8% and then of this supply zone. Okay, so traders, that is all I have for Euraud. So I'm going to give you like an update during the week if there's something interesting on this currency pair. And then I will also share like the new setup during the week next week. So as you know that I'm trying to try by all means to share at least one setup during the week. Thereafter, I would give you an update as I've done here. So during the week, if possible, I will give you an update of Euraud. But definitely, I will give you the new charts on during the week next week, traders. So thank you for watching, traders, and have a good night. I will see you. I will see you I will see you next week, traders, and thank you for watching.